Here we go, Sonny. 3, 2, 1, pop. He's going. Here he is. Oh! Dang it. You hit it. See him hit it?
Mhm.
I don't think he's very big. He's real small. See if he won't hit it again though. Because this lure's so big, this little guy can't hold on to it. Oh boy, that's a monster, dude.
Where?
That is a monster. It's not a monster, but he's big. So keep an eye on him. Here we go, here we go. Ready?
It's so hot out here. I don't see a bat.
He's going, he's following it, he's chasing it. You ready? Bring it right by him right now. Oh, yes, sir, there he is. Oh, yeah. Good fish right there.
Pretty good, decent size.
Oh, yeah, boy. That's a pounder and a half. Look at that. Big mama. It's good.